In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently send documents to multiple recipients using DocuSign's bulk send feature. Whether you're handling contracts, agreements, or any other documents, this method will save you time and streamline your workflow. First, you'll want to open Chrome and log into your DocuSign account. This is your starting point for accessing the powerful tools DocuSign offers. If you're not yet familiar with the layout, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and explore the main features. Now direct your attention to either the bulk send or recipients section. In these sections, you'll find the functions and options necessary to manage large distributions of documents efficiently. This is where you'll engage with the bulk send feature, a tool specifically designed for sending out documents to multiple recipients without having to do it one by one. Before proceeding, it's important to have a CSV file ready. If you're new to creating CSVs, think of it as a simple spreadsheet containing key information. In this case, the recipient names and their email addresses. Typically, you'll want to use a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets to organize this data. Once you've entered all the recipient's information, save the file by selecting the CSV format during the export process. With your CSV file now prepared, you can upload it to DocuSign. Locate the option to import your recipient data in the bulk send section. This process will automatically detect and read the CSV, beginning the importing process with efficiency and speed. Simply follow the prompts to upload your file. Next, you'll need to map the columns from your CSV to the appropriate fields DocuSign uses for recipients. This is an essential step because it ensures that each name and email address corresponds correctly within the system, preventing errors in delivery. Take care during this mapping phase, as accuracy here is crucial to the success of your bulk send. Once you've confirmed that your data has been correctly mapped and imported, you're ready to use this list to send out your documents. With everything set up, you can now send envelopes quickly to multiple recipients with just a few clicks. This capability ensures that all intended recipients receive the correct documents simultaneously, dramatically reducing the time and effort compared to sending each one individually. And there you have it. With this efficient setup, distributing documents through DocuSign is faster than ever. Keep practicing this process, and you'll find yourself saving precious time whenever you need to send important documents to a group. Thanks for joining us today, and happy document sending.